If you great, they gon' hate. Yeah. What's good, PB gang? It's your boy Poppyblasted coming at y'all with another video. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know you here, man. Comment below, man. PB gang, we are here, man. It's only like less than a minute in the video, man. You better be here. Y'all better comment below, man, PB gang, cause you know what I'm saying. I've been teaching y'all for 8 years, man. So don't be acting like it's something new now, man. Make sure y'all just, hey, class is in session when I'm turning on that camera. You already know when I push the record button, class is in session, man. So today's video, man, y'all know what we gonna do. Oh yeah. Also make sure you go to PB to Go merch. Get your merch, get your hair care, because it's all there. You already know, man. If I ain't got this shit, y'all sleep, bro. If you still ain't got that, man, you're sleep, bro. Get this, man. Aqua leave-in, bro. You know what I'm saying? Get it. Y'all know we got everything there, man, to get you the best waves in the world. I'm gonna show you what I'm looking like under here in a minute. Alright? Anyways, man. Alright, gang. So, this video right here is a very important video. I feel like I gotta put y'all onto this, man. I just gotta shape up. And I was thinking, like, man, I got a pretty good relationship with my barber. So I figure, like, you know, the gang should have a good relationship with their barber. If you don't, you should. You know what I'm saying? So this is pretty much a video showing you guys, telling you guys what you should tell your barber before he cuts your hair. You feel me? Like, what exactly should you tell him? You don't just say, oh, I want this haircut, and let him do what he gotta do. There's things that you should let him know, because you putting epic work into your, you putting all that extra work into your 360 waves, bro. You're not a regular waver. You gotta come here. That's not our, let him know you ain't a regular waver. You feel me? Let him know you somebody. You feel me? Brushing for with a purpose. All right. So keep it locked. If you're great, they gon' hate. Yeah.
Gang.
So first off, man, this is what you should tell your barber, man. If you're new, walking into, you know, I don't know, nowadays, you know, you could book online, and then you don't know the person, you just going straight to him, straight to his barbershop. You feel me? You going straight to his barbershop. You going straight to where he get down at. You know what I'm saying? Where his workstation. You feel me? Where if his house, his garage, or his shop, or whatever. This is your first time meeting the guy. You feel me? Or you know of him or whatever. You probably saw him on Instagram, whatever. You gotta let him know off top before you cut your hair. You know who you are, this and that, chop it up, whatever. But let him know, bro, you're not just a regular waver, man. Nope. You put a lot of work into your hair. You gotta let him know. You gotta let him hear some shit he ain't never heard before. Like, bro, he's really serious about his hair. He telling me stuff that I ain't never heard before. You know what I mean? Cause they gonna always tell you, yeah, I cut a waver before. Yeah, I cut 360 waves before. That's what barbers do. They gonna tell you that, you know what I'm saying? But really, not saying that they lying, but you gotta talk more to the person. In reality, they really don't know how serious you are about your waves. They just think you got regular 360 waves. Even though you killing, they don't know you put a lot of work into them waves. So they might wreck your waves. Purposely? No. You know what I'm saying? But just by accident, because they don't really know what to do. So the first thing I recommend that what you do is gain a relationship with your barber, okay? Gain a relationship with your barber. So y'all chopping it up, you let him know off top, you know what I'm saying? You know how serious you are about your waves, you know what I'm saying? Just your history on waves, how long you been waving for, you know what I'm saying? The whole thing is to let him know that you're serious about your stuff, you feel me? Like, you're not just a regular 360 waver, you're a elite waver. Also to let him know that, you know, what exactly type of haircut, like go into detail with your haircut. You know what I'm saying? So for example, if you got waves on the side, like if you want like a short taper on the side, you don't want him to go up high. For example, you want a low taper. Let him know. Don't just say, I just want a low taper and that's it. Nah, like go into detail with your taper. Tell them I want a low taper because, you know, I'm keeping my waves at a to go down to, I like my waves to go down to that last wave, so you don't go up above that last wave. I like my waves to look full. I like my waves to come down low. I I don't like a high blend, you feel me? So let them know it's a low taper. Let them know, even if you got a point to where how low you want it, you know what I'm saying? Do that. So that way he'll know, okay, well, I'm gonna go right here. And he might show you after that first little guideline or whatever, he might show you, okay, to this wave, yeah, boom, bet. And that's how you got him to do that. And then also, as far as him cutting your hair, you let him know, you know, you want a 1 with 1.5, or a 2, you know what I'm saying, even a 3. See the guards he's using, because guards are different. All guards are different. You know, he might be using one of them not plastic guards. He might be using like a blade, one of them blade ones. You feel me? That's different. That's gonna cut way more hair off. You telling me you want a 2, and now he's using that blade, which is rare, but he might. You never know. And it's gonna be low. Equivalent to that 2 is like a 1 with that blade. It cuts your hair real short. But if you're getting that 2 closed, you feel me? That's a full blown 2. That's a full, you know, a 2. But it might be, depending on what guard you use. He might use a purple one. The purple one I noticed is more wider than the black ones. I think like the wall one or the black one, whatever. The magnetic ones, those tend to cut your hair a little shorter. So basically what I'm telling you is, when you tell him you want a 2 or you want a 1.5 or whatever, tell him, you know, be straight up with him, be specific with him. Like, I want a 2.5 with the grain I want a 1 guard. I want you to use a 1 guard with the leather open, or you want a 2 guard with the leather closed, or the leather open, or leather, whatever it's called. You want that little thing to come down or up. You feel me? So that way, when he's cutting it, he's not cutting that short. So also make sure you let him know, okay, when you come down first, with that first, you know, let them see with that first 2, that first little, you know what I'm saying, that first one, let them know, like, can I see it? You know what I'm saying? Like, you gonna see how much hair come off your head anyways off top. You know what I'm saying? You gotta make sure you comb your hair out, obviously, yourself. Don't let him do it, because he don't know how your wave pattern is. He can see it, but he not brushing your hair. So you gotta comb it out yourself. Don't expect him to comb it out and do all that, because he might not even do it. So make sure your hair first off is combed out. So when he go that one time, that one little stroke with that guard and that clipper, and see how much hair coming off your head. Also, tell him, let me see it in the mirror. Okay, this is cool. But I recommend, if you want a 2, to go with a 3 first. Just to test that guard with a 3, because you never know, that 3 might be shorter on your hair. So it's always good to go at a longer level first, so that way you will have room to go lower. You see what I'm saying? So if you're going low off top right away with that 2 guard right away, then you know what I'm saying, you ain't gonna have room for, you know what I'm saying, to go like a little lower. You already cut too low. So you're like, damn, now I cut my progress, so I gotta wait for my hair to grow back out. Whereas if you cut it with a higher guard, you have room to let them know, okay, it's too high, I want to cut a little lower. You see what I'm saying? So that's very important. You know what I'm saying? Relationship with your barber, stay in his ear, all that. You know what I'm saying? Especially for your first time cutters too. Your first time you get your hair cut by a barber. You know what I'm saying? That he ain't never cut your waves, he ain't never touched your hair. That shit is important, bro. Same thing applies with the guard of the rest of your hair. The same thing applies to your crown. You gotta let him know, depending on what type of crown you got. 360 beehive crown, you got a 720 like swirl whatever crown. You know what I'm saying? You gotta let him know, tell him how to cut that. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's hard to cut a swirl crown, I ain't gonna lie, because some barbers don't know how to just swirl, you know what I mean? Like, they not brushing your hair, bro, so they don't know how to like use that, you know what I mean, that wrist action to get that swirl, you feel me? Whereas with the beehive, you can just go root, root, you know what I mean? But even with that though, I recommend it all the time, to cut at least a half guard or a full guard higher on your crown area. Unless you want to cut low sometimes, like me, on your crown, to work on it. You know what I'm saying? To like, you know, work on that crown. You know what I'm saying? If your crown is already perfect, then I recommend that you don't cut low on that crown, okay? So if you're getting a 2 with the grain on the rest of your hair, you cut your crown with a 3, or cut your crown with a 2.5. You feel me? So half guard or a full guard higher than the rest of your haircut. Because to be honest, bro, a lot of people might not think this, man, but I feel like this is real though, because I had like multiple people cut my hair. I feel like the best barber in the beginning is a waver barber. In the beginning. Because He's don't have experience. He has experience already brushing his hair. So he already know off top, like he cut his own hair. He already know off top how the rotation is, you know what I'm saying, the angles are, all that. So when he cut your hair, he already gonna be used to that. So it's practice every time he even cut his hair. You know what I'm saying? So it's good to have a barber waiver. You know what I'm saying? But if you don't got a barber waiver, it's cool. You don't gotta have a barber waiver. I don't got a barber waiver and he still cut good. You know what I'm saying? And when he first started cutting my hair, he did great. You know what I'm saying? Like I feel like he did a good job, but over time, he learned my hair and he progressed. You feel me? So you're gonna definitely progress over time. So if your barber is not a waiver, it's okay. But I mean, if he is a waiver, I'm just letting you know it's a plus because he's a waiver, so he's cutting his own hair, so he already gonna have the experience on cutting waivers. Now, like I said, the other barber, he might already be experienced on cutting waivers. He might be, because he might have cut a lot of waivers before in the past. So he not a waiver, or he had waves before, but he already cut clients that had waves. You feel me? I'm talking about like not just regular waves, I'm talking about elite waves, great waves. You feel me? The waves that we know, like these type of waves. Let me show you. These type of waves. You know what I'm saying? These type of waves. That's type of wave I'm talking about. Let me show you, man. Let me show you. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? All right, let's go. Let me see. Damn! These type of waves, man. These type of waves, bro. These type of waves is the waves that you wanna have. You know what I'm saying? I'm working. I've been working, gang. Y'all see? I've been working, gang. You know? I've been working. My barber is not a waiver. I feel like over time though, he is progressing on my head because he's learning my hair. He studies. Find a barber that's gonna study your hair, bro. Find a barber that's gonna really study your hair, that's gonna really appreciate cutting your hair every time, and he's going to study your hair and learn and get better within each haircut. Okay, with each haircut, he's progressing, he's getting better. That's what type of barber you want. You want to have a barber that not just about his money, but he loves cutting hair and making his clients satisfied. You see what I'm saying? That's what type of barber you want. You want a barber that's not just care about the bag, but he care about his clients. You know what I'm saying? Like his client's hair as well. You feel me? That's the main goal for him. The money gonna come, but he's progressing each cut, and he care about satisfying his client. You know what I'm saying? Gain that relationship with your waiver.
I mean, barber.
It's lovely to have a great relationship with your waiver. You know, I'm just a nice, cool guy. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm just friendly. You know what I'm saying? I always gain relationship with my barber based upon just me talking to him over and over. You know what I'm saying? Not being scared, not being afraid, letting them know how I want my hair to be, letting them know how serious I am. And most likely the people who cut my hair though, they already know me. They saw me on YouTube and stuff like that. And it's only been 3 people ever that cut my hair since I've been waving, ever. And I've been waving for like since 2013. Do the math. And it's only 3 barbers that ever cut my hair, bro. That's crazy, right? But that's it, man. I feel like after this shape up I just wanted to pull a cam out and talk to the gang and let y'all know. You know, I appreciate my barber, and it's serious. You know, certain stuff you should be telling your barber, and I feel like those are the tips I got for you guys to let your barber know how, you know, to get you a successful haircut. You know what I'm saying? Things you should tell your barber to get a successful haircut, bro. You know what I mean? Hope this helped you guys out. Hope you guys subscribe to the channel. Hope you guys comment below right now. You know what I'm saying? Letting me know, you know, how y'all feel about the video. You know what I'm saying? Letting me know, you know, because I'll comment back. I'll be in the comments, gang. I'll be in the comments. I'm not one of those. I'm one of those. You know what I'm saying? I'm not one of those. I'm one of those. You feel me? I'm him. I'll be in them comments, bro. PB. So comment right now below. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you join the notification gang, post notification gang by hitting that bell. Ding! Hit it right there, man. Highlight that thing so you will not miss out on other videos I drop, all right? But with that said, man, go to peopletogomerch.com. Get your merch. Get your hair care because it's all there. You see how healthy my hair is, bro. You see how healthy it is now. All I use is my products. You know what I'm saying? Made by Waver, for Waver, man. Come on, you can't go wrong with that, bro. What are you waiting on, man? Go to the website now and go cop. You sleeping. Wake up.